On the previous video, we talked about what time it is when we're looking just at the hour hand. Now, again, the hour hand, hour, is a short word. We understand that the short hand is the hour hand. Minute is a long word. It has the long hand of the clock. So, if I point the hour hand at the 11, it is going to be what time? Yes, it's going to be 11 o'clock. Let's start looking at the minutes now. So, these all have numbers on. Minutes have, wait, there's a 1 here. What is that? What was that 1 telling us? That's right. These numbers are for the hour because that's 1 hour, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8. I can go the whole way around. But the minutes are different. Each of these little ticks here are a minute. Now, if we wanted to, we could count each one of these little ticks or these little lines, and we would go the whole way around the clock. There would be 60 little ticks or little lines on the clock because there are 60 minutes in an hour. So if this hour hand goes around and goes 1 hour, this minute hand, the green hand, goes around and it completes 60 minutes. Do you believe me? Watch. I'm at 59. See, each one it recorded 1 minute. And now when I move just a little bit more, it goes to 12. Because 59, the next number would be 60. And so when we do that, when we're back to this part, that's when our hour resets and it becomes a new hour and we have 0 minutes. So, how do we use these parts of the clock? Well, actually, it's interesting because these numbers actually help us when reading minute hands too. Because these tell us that it's 5 minutes. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how there was 5 minutes between this number and this number? That's true for all of the numbers on the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I don't want to sit here and count each minute. That would take forever when I get to 45 or 55, but I can count by 5s. So let's say I'm making the minute hand move 5 minutes. All right, here we go. This is so tricky. There we go. 12:05. That was just 5 minutes from 12 o'clock to 12:05. Now when I go to the next number, it's 12:10. When I go to the next one, it is 12:15. So the minutes went 5, 10, 15. What do you think is going to be next? What's the 4 going to be? Yeah, it's going to be 20. Oh, I passed it. 12:20. What's the 5 going to be? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yeah, it's going to be 25. Ooh, come on. There we go. 12:25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yes, it's going to be 30 when I get to the 6. Now, this is the one that's really important today. This is called the half hour because 30 is half of 60. Look at this clock. If I have a circle, I can cut it into 2 equal parts using this line, which happens to be the second hand, and this line, which is my minute hand. I can see that this is 1 part.
Good morning.
And this is the second equal part. See how my circle's completed into 2 equal parts? 1, 2. So 2 equal parts means I would take half, right? I have half of the clock has been gone through with my minute hand. It has half of an hour to keep going. So we say that this is 12:30 or 12:30. Whenever we have that minute hand pointed straight to the 6, we look and we say, oh, the minutes are 30 or half past. Now, let's see. Look at this. Look at the hour hand here. This is interesting because the hour hand is not pointed directly at the 12 anymore. See how it is halfway between the 12 and the 1? That's because it is halfway to being 1 o'clock. Is it 1 o'clock yet? No, the hour hand has not gotten to the 1 yet. But it is halfway there, meaning it is half past 12. Now, let's watch and see what happens when I get to the 1. All right, I'm at 1 o'clock. Notice there's a 1 in my hour and there are 0 minutes. If I continue to move my hour hand, my minute hand moves all the way, and I'm going to stop at the 6, which is 30 minutes, which is half of an hour. Now, see where my hour hand is? It is halfway between the 1 and the 2. And so it's not yet 2. No, it is 1:30, because this is 30 minutes, remember? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes. That's why it says 1:30. All right, so today what I want you to do is I want you to work on figuring out the times to the half hour, noticing that if it has not passed that hour number, it's not going to show that hour number here. It has to be just past that hour number because it is halfway past that hour. So if I move it to 2:30, see, it is halfway between the 2 and the 3. It has not become 3 yet. Nope, it is only 2:30. All right, give it a shot, friends. We will work a lot on this week.